Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening of my watchgang Black membership watch for July. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing that odd as cave diver that I just actually did the box opening on like a week or so ago. I decided to size this one and so far, I'm kind of digging it. I like the dark green dial. Doesn't show up that great in the lighting in here, but it is a pretty cool dark green on that one. Also, guys, if you're new to the channel, if this is your first video, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, notifications, do all that jazz so you make sure you don't miss any videos. If you're unfamiliar with Watchgang, it is a monthly subscription company where you pay a fee, you get a watch. The only tier level I still subscribe to is the Black tier level, which is, for me, the $100 tier level. And I believe they've raised the price, so it's around $150. And I'm pretty excited because it looks like we got a Spinnaker. So I'm going to say my $100 subscription this month was well worth it without even opening the box. Also, I have promo codes and discount codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, Ballast. So make sure you click those in the links below. I love Spinnaker. If you've been following me, you've seen a lot from me from Spinnaker. And, you know, if you follow the daily watches, I'm wearing Spinnakers all the time. I think they're great watches at really reasonable price points. And the fact that I've got one as a subscription watch at $100, I'm definitely in on that. Give me a second to pull the plastics off of this one. So there's a little bit closer look at this one. Like I said, it's not a Spinnaker that I actually have. Most of mine are automatics from them. This one at that kind of price point from Watchgang is definitely not going to be an automatic. Kind of interesting. This is the first chrono that I have had that actually has little screw down pushers. You can see it start to work there. My guess is this is like a, man, hard to say what the movement is without doing some further research. But it is one of the Mecha Quartz flyback chronographs, maybe a VK63 or something like that. It's really cool looking overall from Spinnaker and from Watchgang this month. Let's go ahead and throw it on. Let's go ahead and throw it on wrist and get a little bit better look at it. So that's how that one looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. You can see there's plenty of space in that strap if you had a larger wrist. And I am digging that. I think that one is well worth the subscription price this month. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.